Hey there, car enthusiasts. Kamal Noor here. Today I'm giving you the ultimate car maintenance guide. We're diving into crucial car maintenance tips every owner should know. These simple checks and fixes will save you a heap of trouble down the road. So buckle up, grab your toolkit, and let's get this show on the road. By the time we're done, you'll be a regular car whisperer. Let's kick things off with the foundation of your car, the tires. Keeping them in tip-top shape is crucial. Check that tire pressure regularly. Low tire pressure can lead to reduced fuel efficiency and dangerous blowouts. Next up, tire rotation. Rotating them every 6,000 to 8,000 miles ensures even wear and extends their lifespan. Think of it like rotating the food in your pantry to prevent spoilage. Same idea with tires. Give those tires a good visual inspection. Look for any cuts, bulges, or objects stuck in the tread. A nail in your tire might seem minor, but it can lead to a slow leak and leave you stranded. Remember, folks, a little preventative maintenance goes a long way. Let's move on to the heart of your car, the engine. Your engine needs motor oil to pump smoothly. Motor oil lubricates all those moving parts, reduces friction, and prevents your engine from seizing up. Checking your oil is easy. Locate the dipstick, pull it out, wipe it clean, reinsert it, and then pull it out again. The oil level should be between the two marks on the dipstick. If it's low, top it off with the recommended oil for your car. Changing your oil regularly, as recommended by your car's manufacturer, is the single best thing you can do to keep your engine running smoothly. We're on a roll with fluids, folks. Your car relies on a cocktail of fluids. First up, coolant. It keeps your engine from overheating. Next, brake fluid. It transmits force to the wheels. Finally, transmission fluid. Keeps things smooth. Now let's talk about lights. Your headlights and taillights aren't just there for you to see, they're also there for other drivers to see you. Start by checking your headlights. Turn them on and make sure both low beams and high beams are working. Have a friend stand behind the car while you check the taillights, brake lights, and reverse lights. If any bulbs are burnt out, replace them immediately. It's a simple fix that can prevent accidents and save lives. Give those headlights a good cleaning. Over time, they can get cloudy and reduce visibility. A simple headlight restoration kit can work wonders and make a huge difference in your night driving experience. Remember, being able to see clearly at night is crucial for safe driving. Let's talk about windshield wipers. They keep you safe in rain or snow. Worn-out wipers reduce visibility. Replace them if they leave streaks or chatter. It's an easy DIY job. Invest in quality wipers for a clear view. Clear visibility equals safe driving. Let's talk about the engine air filter. Your engine needs clean air to run efficiently. The air filter traps dirt and debris. A dirty filter reduces fuel efficiency. Checking it is easy. Locate the housing, open it, and check. Replace if dirty. Simple maintenance boosts performance. We've talked about the air your engine breathes, but what about the air you breathe inside your car? That's where the cabin air filter comes in. This often forgotten filter cleans the air that enters your car's cabin, removing dust, pollen, allergens, and other pollutants. A dirty cabin air filter can reduce airflow from your car's HVAC system, making it less effective at heating or cooling the cabin. Checking and replacing the cabin air filter is usually a simple task. Consult your owner's manual for its location as it varies from car to car. It's a quick and easy way to improve the air quality inside your car and keep you and your passengers breathing easy. Let's talk about the battery, the heartbeat of your car. Without a healthy battery, your car ain't going nowhere. The battery provides the initial jolt to start your engine and powers electrical components. Batteries lose charge over time, especially in extreme temperatures. A weak battery can leave you stranded. Test your battery with a multimeter or at an auto parts store. They can test it for free. Replace weak batteries before they fail. Better safe than sorry. All right, folks, let's talk about brakes. Brakes are the most important safety feature on your car. If they're not working properly, it can have serious consequences. Regular brake inspections are crucial. Inspect brakes yearly or more in heavy traffic or hilly areas. Mechanics check pads, rotors, calipers, and fluid. Squealing, vibrations, or pulling mean brakes need attention. Don't ignore these symptoms. Get brakes checked by a qualified mechanic. Better safe than sorry. Let's talk about belts and hoses, the unsung heroes of your car's engine. These rubber components might not seem glamorous, but they play a vital role in keeping everything running smoothly. Belts drive essential components like the alternator, power steering pump, and water pump. Hoses transport fluids like coolant and power steering fluid to different parts of the engine. A worn belt or hose can cause these components to malfunction, leading to overheating, loss of power steering, or even engine damage. Inspect your belts and hoses regularly for any signs of wear and tear, such as cracks, fraying, or bulges. If you notice any damage, it's best to replace them immediately. Now you might be thinking, washing my car, that's not real maintenance. But let me tell you folks, a clean car is a happy car, and a happy car runs better. Regular washing protects your car's paint and prevents rust. Dirt, grime, bird droppings, and even tree sap can eat away at your car's paint over time, leading to fading, oxidation, and eventually rust. Washing your car regularly removes these contaminants and helps preserve the paint. Washing your car also gives you a chance to inspect it for any damage or potential problems. Well folks, there you have it. The ultimate car maintenance guide to keep your ride running smooth and happy for years to come. A little preventative maintenance goes a long way in preventing costly repairs and breakdowns down the road. By following these simple tips and staying on top of your car's maintenance schedule, you'll extend the life of your car and enjoy a smoother, safer, and more enjoyable driving experience. So get out there, get your hands dirty, and show your car some love. Well folks, that's all the car wisdom I've got for you today. Remember, taking care of your car doesn't have to be a chore. A little bit of effort can go a long way in keeping your ride running smoothly for years to come. If you found these tips helpful, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any future car care advice. Stay informed, drive safe, and keep those engines humming.